guys, here we have message of the day. Sorry, excuse my cat. Peace has the not even engraving, it's kind of just like lack of color. It doesn't feel like an etching. It's smooth to the touch. Peace there. Pocket carry, it's worn a little bit, but let's see if there's any flint in this. Oops, sorry, the date for this one is 2010. Insert is matching, so we'll probably put some Windex on it just to, cause this is that nice little blue color. Kind of gunky on this wheel, kind of almost rusty, so we'll put some oil on it. I don't know what's going on with this wheel. There you go, a lot better already. Yeah, you can see the kind of that yellow rust coming off. Yeah, and this one's just another used one. Who knows what previous owner was doing with it, or definitely using it though. Yeah, as clean as I about care to get in it. So there we go. Put that back in there. And then we're gonna hit it with some glass cleaner. Just to remove any fingerprints or big dust off. Kind of polish it up a little bit again. Obviously it's been pocket carry. And there we go. Ready to be added to the collection as another great Zippo. Just like that, guys. Ta-da!